I wanted to show you really quickly how we have added metadata to the diagrams. I've taken each of the diagrams in this particular model, which is a UAF model. It's a shared model on our Teamwork Cloud. It's going to have all the operational views. Right now I've got several operational process flow models and one operational structure model. The one operational structure model is basically the OV1, and there's several of these types of models that they're in two tiers. But you notice that there is metadata as part of the diagram information. I can't, with this video capturing technique, show you the pop-up, the specification window. It just, for whatever reason, doesn't show it. But you can access this. This is put in via a template that Madi created, and then we put that template inside the Cameo System Modeler program files in the appropriate folder. And what that allows you to do is it adds additional tags to put in these categories. And because now, if I go down to this diagram, you can see that we've got, and it's base mark on your spreadsheet where you had several categories: acquisition, phase 1, 2, or 3, enterprise domain, and so forth. But where this really is useful now, because each diagram in this model is tagged, I've built a generic table where I have brought in the element type as diagram, and I've scoped it to the operational processes package and the operational structure package. So all of the diagrams you see here can be found in those two packages. And the columns are associated with the metadata that we've now added via this template to the model. And so you can bring them in as columns. In this case, we've got the architecture domain, which is the level of abstraction on the UAF grid, and then the vertical columns. In this case, it's operational processes, the enterprise domain, systems engineering, the acquisition phase. But what's nice about this is that you can also change the data inside the table. So you can here see the drop-down menu. The same drop-down menu is accessible within the diagram in the specifications window. And so all of this, there's the IB&B phase, early integration, conceptual, the maturity level, work in progress, and then also the documentation. The operational structure, or the OV1, basically was the only one that had that. So you can then export this to Excel, and it gives you an overview of what is where and where it fits into the larger process. So anyway, that's some of the things that we've been working on since we talked last Friday.